Second, welcome to our channel. So today we will build a website for our travel agency. So let's move to see. I have just found this travel agency which do not have website. Just everything I wrote on a travel agency and at which place I found. You can write California or you can also use Los Angeles. Okay, very easy. From here you can find which travel agency do not have website. See, just click here. Nothing. Just this is the way. So now today I will use the platform to build website that is emergent. The emerging website where you just give your prompt and you can create easily. So where is the prompt? Prompt is in the description. Go and check it out. So this is the prompt you will get. So this is the prompt you will get in the description. So go and copy this travel website. Go down, go down, go down. Control C. Come here and paste it. Now move here with the brand name. Control C. Here, just fill the bracket. Control B. It is what type? It is an agency. Cut it. Cut it. Okay. Yeah. No changes you need. You want to give education. Come here. From here. Copy full system to here. Control C. Go to emergent. Move down. Sorry. Emergent. Move down. Here you write additional information. Additional information about building of the website. Website. Now you have curly brackets. Control V. Enter. Enter. It will show its performance. Your agent is working. It's very amazing too. But I prefer very less because here the credits are very low as compared to base 44, which I prefer more. Just a single prompt can create everything. Deploying my application in agent. How beautiful. Interface is also very good. Here you can preview your app. Here agent is working. Okay. Is it asking some question? I'm thinking. What is asking? That asking question is answer it for to further continue. So I've been building the it require admin authentication. So just I will do auto answer. Again, nothing I will do auto answer. But you can also type manually for preferable to everyone. The agent is just answering every question. Let me check what type of. So first it asked me admin authentication. How should admin look for payment detection? Everything. Hit enter and it started. See the credits. Credits. Let me check the new version going on. For the Agent is designing how beautifully totally given the prompt very important. The agent is designing. Okay, here we go. It takes time because every no code builder took some time. How much time in base 44 can create very easily. It within long time, but it is taking time. How it create more better than base 44 or what's like any other tools. Here also you can save in your GitHub also. Here also option is available for GitHub. Here also available. Here one more option is available that is Ultra for. So once again I am reminding you, if you want prompt PDF, prompt PDF where you will find what? I am showing you what you will find. See, total master no code website builder prompt. Here master no code website prompt all in one. With this you can create anything. Travel website or SaaS website or healthcare website or salon website. Anything you can create it. If you want individual and more specified version, just go below. For restaurant website, if you want to create a website, a restaurant website and sell it to it, just copy this, change only brand name, create the website. If you want doctor and clinic, paste this website, this prompt. If you want class website, paste this prompt. If you want travel website, if you want agency website, you can go with this. This is the total prompt. I picked 5 businesses or most relevant prompt which can convert to website without any difficulty and you can sell it for $500, $10,000, your choice. Till now it is building. Taking this much time, it may take or it may be unique. So let's check out. But okay, let's check out capabilities. Also, I want to tell you that in the next video I will reveal the secret at how I am writing my prompts so that it creates such a beautiful website. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay. Also, if you like the video, you can comment it, or if you want any improvement, then also you can comment it. And I will read everybody's comment. That I can see here with destination information, the destination travel packages, help testimonials, everything. Check what he built. Still not processing. I thought many error came. Why error came? Compile the data. Error came. Then I will just write here. Error is coming. Resolve it. It will resolve it easily. No tension. Again error. So processing till now. Let's check how many errors coming. Saying till now it is processing. What to do? What to do? Let wait for a while. Also, one more question. You can comment down which one is your favorite no-code website builder, whether it is S44 or Anti-Gravity, Full AI Studio or Emergent or many more like Coding Fly. There are many more. Just comment down. I will say what's your favorite. The agent is also running till now. Time is taking to build single website. From this, my base 40 get. Let me check the credits. How much left? Cannot be left. Due to response length constraint, continue the remaining pages in the next pages. Let me press destination and top pages. Error coming. Why this much error? Everything give emergent to solve it. Code website builder. No, don't know. Every code website builder have their ability to solve any. Is creating. Let's check their WhatsApp number. Copy their number, or if they do not have WhatsApp, let's check if they have WhatsApp. We can message them. WhatsApp web. So we have to check whether WhatsApp or not. If they do not have WhatsApp, then another process is there. Just wait and see how you can sell this website for $1,000, $2,000 easily. You can just check here. How you can check? Go to new chat. Just paste here. But the number is not available. So what we will do? We will call to it. Call them, or we move to their page. Let's check their Instagram page or not. Control C. Instagram page. Instagram page. Let's check later or not. Processing till now processing. Let it Instagram. Then check whether they have or not. Okay, searching here. Control V. Just paste their name. Holiday travel agent. Check it. sir, like, sir, that's someone will be the holiday travel agency. This is the I got their page. Just follow it, and I will draft a DM or message for them that I have created an amazing site for you. Whether you want it, just can talk further. Very free. Just check it. It is showing error and error. Now let me wait for a while. And it is creating too much error. See, that I have done any screenshot, it's screenshot and solving a problem. Why it's so? There is just syntax error in the answer. That it is over and think. That's why I'm not to get it over, so I can't wait. So for today is this much. So go and buy credit. If you will buy credit, after buying credit, process will again will go again. After creating this, just go and deploy it. Now ChatGPT, 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 and paste here. Yes, then write a write a Instagram post. Instagram for travel agency. Then created website mockup up for you tested in 10 10 further. Press enter. It's a professional website. Or I have seen how many GPTs I have created. I can also use this master prompt GPT. I will show you next what is master prompt GPT. But for that, don't forget to subscribe. Copy this, and first you have to what you follow and like their some page to show their authentic. But really interested in their message. Comment. Wow. W W wow. W W wow. Post it. Cut this. Now message session. The message copy from ChatGPT. Paste it. But hi, I was exploring travel agency. I actually have a free website for so how to attract more travelers and online. If interested, helping to show you blah 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 and the same. They will copy website and send the process $1,000 $5. So we'll meet on next video. For that, bye.